It's a new day and I should be working on the CRV. Definitely needs some axles. Looks like it's got some bad bushings and whatnot underneath it. So I'm gonna be replacing all that. But it is a beautiful day and I mean, I live here, so I'm just gonna kick it for a while. All right, enough fooling around on the beach. So back to the CRV and back to work, I guess. I got the CRV, it's backed in, it's cooling down. So I'm just gonna get under there. I know that it needs axles. I can feel the vibration and I'm sure that one of them is just totally roached. So we'll take a look at that and see what else it needs. Maybe some ball joints, who knows. Oh, say hi, Jolene. That's a good girl, hi. Yeah, that's my good girl. Yeah, say hi, Jolene. Yeah. Right in there, you can see the CV boot is torn in there, so I'm gonna be replacing that CV axle and anything else I might find. Of this, and this little ball joint right here, it's probably coming out anyway. Let me just try the fork. It's much harsher. All right, let's try this. Totally different approach. A bit rougher on the car. A little rougher on that ball joint boot, huh? Going out the back. At least it had some in it still. Man, that thing's really in there. Those are some solid hits. Got a couple more. Still not up, eh? Oh, maybe it is. Looks like it's up. Oh, maybe not, huh? Shit. Hey, that was it. That's what we needed. That's really in there. Let's hope I can do something to get that out. This axle is is destroyed. Yeah, got it loose. Get it out. You got it. He is pretty low. The right one. Oh man, you see that? Just fell apart everywhere. Just blasted to pieces as soon as I pulled it out. The knuckle's still in the transmission. Yeah, I would say there was some wobble coming out of that axle. Just knowing the vehicle and looking at everything in here, I'm pretty much gonna do the lower control arm, the upper control arm, that bottom ball joint. Oh. Whoa. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. I don't know if I can get this brake caliper off because it's all hanging here. Not on the control arm. Oh, there it goes. Woo. Yeah, been working out. Oh my God. Oh, push on that right there, man. Let me hold this. Yeah, push that down. Oh, there it is. Let's see. It's just very difficult to work on it. No. You're just gonna hit me in the knee. Can you put a hand on that? Is that possible? There it is. So far, we replaced a lot of stuff. Upper control arm, lower control arm, inner and outer tie rods. There's a lot of stuff that's under here that's just not good. Hey, Joe, what's up? Come say hi to the squad.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul
sure it's good, huh? Looks like right now it's no good. Nice and hot. There it is. Once the rubber goes through. Whoa, all that chaos. All right, got it in there. Pretty well seated flush. Got enough room for the clip to go down there. Clink. A little clip right here. There it is. Now the little clip is on there. Hold it in. See it right there against the edge. All right, I'm gonna put all this stuff back together. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse so I can listen to some copyrighted music and you can listen to whatever this is. And that's it, whole front end is rebuilt. So it's off to the alignment rack for this thing. Just picked up the CRV, got the alignment done. Now it's time to get some dinner and call it a day. You guys stay mad.